What is going on, everyone? All right, let's talk about how to become a consistently profitable trader. Once you discover this particular strategy, you'll see that it is a nice little addition to what you're currently doing and can seriously make you a consistently profitable trader. Now, what are we talking about? We're talking about channels, and channels can be traded on pretty much any time frame. And what they are basically support and resistance lines. So we have, ascending triangle channels. We have descending channels, right? And then we have this consolidation or sideways channel, again support and resistance, where we see quite often price action really respecting these lines quite a bit. And really, what this is a natural flow of the market, right? Where we have price action basically moving on fear and greed. Now, every once in a while, it'll break the channel and break out a line, but eventually it'll come back. Or perhaps it'll break the channel and create a new channel, right? But the reality is, as long as you have 2 points, right, at least 2 points, we are establishing a trend. And that's really what it is trend trading. Now, um, let's talk about how we can become profitable. So let's take a look at some examples. So these are day trades. Most of these are low float, so anything under 20 million shares float, give or take. And if we take a look at LGHL today, we kind of have this, downward motion in pre-market, and then it spikes up, and then it comes crashing back down, and then all of a sudden it starts to establish this trend. So if we were to take our drawing tool here and draw the connecting points of the support, right, and also the connecting points of resistance, then what we can see is a clearly established channel that you could trade within, right? So probably wouldn't trade it here, but you do have a good opportunity right here, right around 11:13 Pacific time. Getting in anywhere between 550 and getting out right at 629. All right, so there's your channel, and then eventually it breaks down and creates another downward channel at at the close of day. Let's take a look at another opportunity here, LEDS. Okay, so here we are again. Not much going on in pre-market. We have this increase and then decrease in price action. And then if we just kind of zoom in here and take a look at what happened the rest of the day, it's kind of hugging this VWAP all day. And really what it's doing is establishing this trend right here. Now, you're probably thinking, well, in hindsight, it's pretty clear, right? You can kind of see everything. How do you know when to get in? Well, you want the channel to basically unravel itself as the trading day goes on. And you want to combine, obviously, other, indicators, price action, volume, news catalyst, the float of the stock. So you're not just looking at the channel and trading based off that, but you're really using it as an aid or a tool to guide you. So in this case, a strong buy opportunity would have been right here on increasing volume. And again, you can see 685, even if you get in late, 690, 692, you could ride this all the way up to 739 with a minor pullback, and then ride it up again as it kind of breaks through that support before it comes crashing back down. All right, one more opportunity here to look at. NETE, again, I kind of pre-drew this for this video. We see this kind of bull flag pattern play out, and then it comes crashing back down. Markets kind of took a tough beating earlier today on some poor job news, kind of bringing 3/4 of the market down with it. But it ended up recovering midday. And as you can see here, especially with a higher price stock, you can kind of see that flow of the market, right? Here you see this trend establishing. Again, probably wouldn't buy it on the first pullback, but as this trend presents itself, there would have been a great opportunity here right around 10 in the morning to get in around 1671 and ride this puppy all the way up to 1776. So with that, enjoy the channel trades. You can use this in any time frame, and good luck trading out there. Good luck.